How to log in to ParentPay account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in ParentPay, login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one, parentpay.com. With that you will be directed to the official website of ParentPay. ParentPay began as a modest EdTech startup determined to make school life simple. Their mission is to kickstart the cashless revolution in schools. It started in 2002 when a working parent and former teacher sought to help her school make life easier for parents. Now to log into your account, click on the option of login. Different options will appear as parent login, school login, and parent FAQ. Go ahead and click on the option of parent login. Now over here you will need to type in your account's credentials to login. So go ahead and type in your username or email address. Likewise, type in the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login, and with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your ParentPay account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.